Moving on now, days after Al-Qaeda issued a video threatening to carry out its campaign in India, Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi has claimed that the terror group is trying to set up base in the state and has an understanding with the ULFA. The Chief Minister also said the security forces have received intelligence report that there are possibilities of some incidents during the forthcoming Durga Puja. On the 4th of September, the centre had sounded a countrywide alert after an Al-Qaeda video surfaced in which the terror outfit threatened to carry out campaign in India. An initial assessment of Intelligence Bureau found the tape to be genuine.
Al-Qaeda ho, ISI ho, Kuti Budibol ageo processa solaisil moina ikwa etia kintu tamuke lahe lahe aru yar badu amar jibilak insurgent group ase teunko ami sahojog korar ami কিছু ইঙ্গিত পোৱা গৈছে আমি সতৰ্ক কৰি দিছো আজি আলফাৰ কি কোৱা এন্টিটক গ্ৰুপে হওক সঞ্জীৱ গ্ৰুপে হওক বিভিন্ন যিবিলাক আছে আমি এইখিনিকো আমি আৰু সতৰ্কাৰে আমি ৰাখিবলৈ